Over the last few videos that I've done on this channel, I've used my iPhone quite a bit to make a lot of videos. Now recently I've run across this software called Cinematch, and what this allows you to do is color match your cameras between different bodies. So for instance today, one of these cameras is an iPhone and the other is a Sony FX3. Can you guys tell which camera is which by the image quality? Hopefully you can. That means that this software works incredibly good and I actually have the right settings on each camera. Now before we get started on how this actually works and how to use this tool, I do want to let you guys know that it is my birthday week and I would love to hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel this week. Now I don't ask often, but if you guys can, could you please go down there and subscribe? I know a lot of you guys who watch this video aren't yet subscribed to my channel. So I would really appreciate it if I could get 2,000 subscribers by my birthday on the 16th. Now before we get too far in the video, I actually do want to show you some test footage that I've shot with two different cameras, color matching them together using this software to get these results. So how did you guys do on the test? Did you get most of them right? Did you get all of them right? I have no idea how the clips look yet because I haven't edited them, but that's exactly what we're about to do now. We're gonna jump into Davinci Resolve. I already had a plugin added in. It's super easy to install it. Whenever you buy it, they tell you exactly how to install it and get the plugin into your software. It does work with Premiere Pro and also Final Cut Pro. So if you guys would like me to do a video on that as well, I can do one of those later because I do have a license key to those softwares. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your library and you want to search Cinematch, and you should be on version 1.07 at the time of this video. You want to drag that onto your clip, and the first thing that you want to do as soon as you get into the software settings is you want to go into choose camera source and you want to select your camera. Now they don't have iPhone 13 Pro Max in here yet, but the iPhone 13 Pro works exceptionally fine. Now you want to go in here, you want to select whatever setting you were shooting in. For this video today, I was shooting in Filmic Pro. Now you do need to be using an app called Filmic Pro for this to work, and within Filmic Pro they have this Filmic Log V3 setting, but they also have Dolby Vision. Now I did the Log V3 because you can get a lot of dynamic range out of that. Now on this last setting, they said you want to leave this to whatever the default setting is once you choose your camera source. So for instance, this one said full, so I'm going to leave it just like that and hit apply. Now nothing's going to happen yet because what we have to do is go choose our camera target profile. So if we click that, we want to put in whatever settings of the camera we're trying to match to. So for me today, I was using my Sony FX3, so we're going to do Sony. And then they don't have the FX3 in here yet either, but again, the Sony FX3 is the same exact camera as the A7S3, so you just want to select that. So I'm going to do S anytone, and then again, you want to leave that last setting the same, and there we go. Now this image is definitely much darker than our other camera setting, but to fix that, you just want to go in here and mess with your exposure settings. You do get those settings right into this Cinematch profile. These images look pretty close to each other, and I haven't done as much editing as I can do. All I've messed with is exposure, but you can really see how if you fine-tune these colors, how you can get this to look perfectly matched. I'm not going to spend a lot of time matching it today, but as you guys can see, you can really get pretty close to matching these guys. So in my Sony clip over here, I see that it has a little bit more green in it than my iPhone clip does, so all I can do is just go over here to my tint and pull that over. And I mean, seriously, look how close those images are. Would you be able to tell the difference of that between an iPhone clip and the Sony clip if you didn't pixel peek? I mean, they look really good. Again, I think that you could easily match these cameras together perfectly if you spent more time than I did today. So one of these clips is an iPhone, and one of them is shot with the camera that I'm holding in my hand. So in about 5 seconds, I want you to point to one and tell me what you think is the iPhone clip.
iPhone clip, that one.
Which one?
This one.
Why?
Because I know you said that you wouldn't do like the just one thing is in focus. Because it's fake on the iPhone, so I think that everything is more in focus right here. And that one is your Sony FX3 because you can actually get the depth of field in that one.
So for this last test, I wanted to show you guys what it would look like to color match like a vlog sequence, because I think that is what this is mostly going to be used for. Now I know for me specifically, that's what I'm going to be using it for, because I like to maintain a high quality image throughout my videos that I do on this channel. However, there's a lot of times when you can get an iPhone into a place or a certain location where you can't get something like a Sony camera, or really literally any camera at all, because as soon as you walk in there and they see a lens, they see a camera body, they're gonna kick you out. Now opposed to an iPhone, it's so tiny, it doesn't look like a professional tool, so you can get it into stores, you can get it into all types of places that you wouldn't have been able to get your camera into before. Now the other reason why I wanted to give this vlog test is to show that you have so much versatility when using an iPhone opposed to a camera. Now as you can see over here, the camera angle that I have right now is very, very small compared to the camera angle that I was able to get with the iPhone. Now you can get the same angle with a camera. However, to be able to get that same lens as something as small as a 2.8 like the camera lenses on this iPhone have, it will be very, very expensive. The last reason why I wanted to show this is because of skin tones. I wanted to show you guys what skin tones may look like if you try to match these two cameras together in post. Thank you guys for checking out this video today. Again, help me to get to 2,000 subscribers by my birthday. That would be an awesome birthday present to have. And until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace.